Hi everyone, and today I'm going to be talking about how to overcome negative thinking. So we have all had those times where we have those bad chat inside our head. I hate this, I hate this, I hate that, I don't like this, I don't like that, I'm not enough, I'm not good enough, like anything, right? So one thing to first consider and to really understand about this is that many times we have been told that your thinking creates your life. But let us look at it like on a bigger and deeper level. So if my thinking actually creates my life, how many times have I said to myself, I'm not good enough? How many times have I said to someone, I'm gonna kill you, and think about actually hurting them or destroying this world? But has that ever happened? 99% of the case, it haven't. So if that's the case for the negative stuff, so why do we think that the positive then is going to create our life? Because we have all had those thoughts like, I hate this person's a bitch, blah, 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 blah. But at the same time, when we come then, I have to be positive, I have to think good because it's going to create my life. It doesn't actually happen that way. But how do you then overcome negative thinking? The best way for you to overcome negative thinking, like think about this. If you have a job, right? You know that you have to go there. That's non-negotiable. And then you're about to go there, but you don't feel good, you don't like it, you hate your job, you hate your boss, you hate. It's frustrating, it makes you sad, it makes you angry. All those stuff, all those so-called negative thoughts. But what do? You still go to your job, you still do your job, and then you come back home, right? So that means your thoughts are not actually creating your life, but your actions are. So if your thoughts are not the one creating your life, but your actions, how can you then change the way you think so that you are most of the time feeling good or feeling positive or whatever way is it that you're wanting to feel? So let us take the example for the job. If you hate your job so that your job makes you hate yourself, the world, or whatever, instead of wanting to change your thinking about you hating your job, just go and build something like a side business or another activity that you actually like or enjoy. Because the moment you're going to build that thing, you're not going to have a job anymore that's going to make you hate the world or hate yourself. You're going to have then this thing that you build for yourself, and then you're going to enjoy it. So the best way for you to overcome negative thinking is by taking action toward the thing that you want. So if the world makes you sad, so what can you do to change the world? Then start doing that thing, because the moment you start doing that thing, you don't need to worry about this anymore, because your actions here is going to take care of everything, right? So that's why it's so key to understand that it's your action that creates, and the best way for you to overcome the negative thinking, it's by you actually starting to take actions toward the thing that you're wanting to change in your life. Because if you're frustrated, that means there's something going on, there's something that you don't like, there's something that makes you feel bad, frustrated, or whatever the case may be. So the moment you take action toward correcting those things, you won't need to feel this negative bullshit anymore, because you will be doing the thing that you actually want to do. So your actions are going to help you to overcome your negative thinking. So that was it for this one, and like always, comment, subscribe, and mostly share this with someone, because you don't know, they may be sitting somewhere and thinking that their thinking is creating their life, but in reality it's their actions. And the moment they're going to change their actions, then they're going to change the way they think, and then they're going to be positive. So that was it for this one, and talk to you another time. Bye bye.